my channel. I'm Selah, and in today's video we're going to be prepping and making some food and getting everything ready for Thanksgiving. This is the first year ever that I am hosting Thanksgiving, and I'm so excited. It's also my baby's first Thanksgiving, which makes it even more special, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. For those of you guys that are new here, I am a first-time mom and stay-at-home mom, and I do different types of lifestyle vlogs and travel videos. If that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And let's prep for Thanksgiving. So it is currently Wednesday right now, which is so different for me this year because normally I would be going out to the bars with my friends or working. But this year is obviously a little bit different because I have my baby, so it makes it even more special, and I'm so excited because I have been prepping and cleaning since 6 a.m. this morning and I'm still not done. So most of the stuff I can't really get done until tomorrow, but today I am going to be like boiling the eggs, and I'm going to be cooking some chicken and then also baking cookies. So what's on the menu for tomorrow? We're doing kind of like a little brunch. So my parents are coming over at 11 to watch hopefully the Lions win, and we're gonna have brunch, watch the Lions game, and then around 6 o'clock we're gonna head over to my husband's side of the family. So it's gonna be really a special day, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, just as I share everything with you guys. But what's on the menu tomorrow? I am doing a buffalo chicken dip in the crock pot. I'm doing deviled eggs, chocolate chip cookies, cheese board, I have a ham, then I'm also doing a sweet potato like maple bacon hash, and then also some turkey cranberry sliders. So I'm doing like traditional-ish Thanksgiving food, but like in other ways, and kind of like snackable food that's good for the football game. So nothing too heavy. There's only 4.5 of us. So it should be good. I'm excited to host, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So let's get into it. Never have too many chocolate chips.
Powdered sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Back to the heat.
Okay, so you guys saw how I spread them out. If they come out like this, which they probably will still, or mine always do, it's okay. Once they sit for like about 2-3 minutes, you can take like a little spatula and just like cut where you see the lines, and they won't be perfectly round and pretty, but they're like the best tasting cookies ever. Once they're still warm, I put this sea salt, these little sea salt flakes on it, and it's so good. Okay, so tomorrow we're also doing buffalo chicken dip, and I didn't know that it called for cooked chicken, so I'm just prepping the chicken breasts. Right now, I did paprika, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, and then I'm just shredding it myself. I also just prepped the deviled eggs. Well, I boiled the eggs. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do the piping and like make the filling and stuff because I don't want it to go hard in the fridge. So now that I have the cookies done, the shredded chicken for the buffalo chicken dip, I have the eggs boiled. Tomorrow, I have to make the sliders, finish the buffalo chicken dip, finish the eggs, assemble the cheese board, which is super easy. I have to do the ham and the maple sweet potato hash. So that's what's on the menu. And then right now I have to also clean the house, so that's what I'm gonna do too. Okay guys, so Ryan just left. He's been watching the baby all day, so I've been able to get some stuff done. I woke up at 7 a.m. this morning, and I thought that I would be able to get all my cleaning and prep done. I was wrong. So of course the baby chose today to have like a really fussy, like needy day. Usually I can just like set him in the swing or his bouncer or like his playmat or something. Today is not one of those days, so it's gonna be a struggle and probably take the rest of the night to get this house ready and everything prepped for tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'm going to have to, oh, he's heavy too. Tomorrow I'm going to have to wake up super early and cook all the food. But to get in the spirit of things, I put on the Gossip Girl Thanksgiving episode. If you know, you know. Gossip Girl just always gives me holiday vibes. So I'm gonna keep cleaning. Hopefully he behaves a little bit. I've also been kind of trying to play around with like the tablescapes We are in a smaller space this year still, so I really only have like this dining room table, which is just a 2-seater, and then I'm going to move the table that's over by the window into the center of this room. Look at my baby. And then, don't mind the mess because we've been cleaning, but this area is gonna have a bunch of food on it too in the kitchen, so let's
everyone go. Your pajamas for your first Thanksgiving. Hi, baby. You got your Thanksgiving jammies on? Hi. Oh, it's your first Thanksgiving.
Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. It is 7 o'clock in the morning right now, and I am gonna start cooking. I just put on a little ambiance. My son and Ryan are still sleeping. I have this going to get me in the mood. Fingers crossed that everything goes good today, because like I said, I've never cooked anything for Thanksgiving. I can obviously cook. I know how to cook, so I'm not that worried about it, but I just hope everything turns out. Our heat did go out last night, so it's going in and out, and I obviously can't call anyone because it's Thanksgiving, so I just have the fireplace on and hope that it heats up the house. But let me show you guys what I did also. Sorry, I'm talking quiet because the baby is still sleeping, but I wrote myself like little notes of like how long everything has to be cooked and stuff. That way I can kind of time like a timeline out before my parents get here to kind of know like when things have to go in the oven and stuff. So let's get going. First, actually, I'm gonna have some coffee. Okay, guys, so I just did the buffalo chicken dip because this has to set for a while. So I just put cream cheese, ranch, buffalo sauce, cheddar cheese, and shredded cooked chicken, and I'm gonna put it on high for 3 to 4 hours. Also, I'm gonna have all of these recipes linked down below for you guys. I get them all on Pinterest. That's usually where I get my recipes. So if you guys want to check any of them out, if they look good to you, check them out down below. Cheers to a good Thanksgiving. I am thankful for every single one of you guys that take the time out of your day to click on my videos, share them, comment, like, anything, and just for being my little internet family. I love you guys, and I hope we continue to grow on here. Okay, I just chopped up some sweet potatoes. This is gonna be for my sweet potato bacon hash. I have the parade on. I'm gonna go get ready and take a little intermission. I just self-tan, and the baby is still sleeping, and so is my husband, so I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible because they're sleeping in my room, which is where I get ready. So we'll see.
Mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know.
Aaron was my great-grandma's, actually. It's so cute. So right now I'm just kind of prepping everything that I possibly can so that when it's time to cook it right before my parents come, I just have to throw it in the pot or whatever. So like I'm prepping, chopped up my sweet potatoes for the hash, and right now I'm doing the bacon. I also took out all the yolks out of the deviled eggs, and I'm gonna make the mixture. So just anything that I can like fast do like right when the time comes. So
December rolled around, the snow was falling down, everything decked in red and green. Then Santa decided to give.
For my deviled eggs too, I'm going to attempt to do like pumpkin deviled eggs. So I have like orange food coloring, and I'm going to be using like a little, I don't know what these are called, but like one of these to make a pumpkin. And then these are going to be the stems. I was supposed to have chives, but I couldn't find any, so I just used like green onions for the stem. And these are the things I'm the most nervous about besides the ham, because I'm missing my piece that makes like the perfect pumpkin shape out of that kit. So I'm going to have to make do. So fingers crossed. Look who's awake.
And he said, you've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it. Oh, oh, oh.
Cheers.
let's get on the road. We can cut down a tree and some hot cocoa drinks. The roads might be icy, but who gives a bleep? And then December rolled around. The snow was falling down. Everything decked out in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring. Okay, Boomer. And he said, you've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. Don't need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it.
Look who made it to the party.
Open up your heart. Go out, sing it. Listen, I know we all like being on our phones all the time, but I think we need a reality check. And some of us definitely need to check our screen time. I have no one to talk, but can we go back to the old days and actually
He could have been on the Cub Cam. Nice. Are you ready for your third outfit change?
powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Back to the heat in mid-July. I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you,
3 months.
I don't know which kid that is.
Like, what is going on?
He's a kid. She did good, man.
No, he's not.
White wags matter, bro.
Selah.
Did you catch that?
At least he's on the scale. Everybody.
Hello, hello. Hi, how are you? Hi, hello, hi. It's here too. Boom. Yeah.
You would start and we'll get a knife.
Josh, once your turn, we'll flip the numbers. Yeah. Switch it.
Nah.
Who they call my name?
I didn't even know her.
I didn't have to.
Here we go again. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Happy birthday to you. Everything decked out in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring. Okay, Boomer. And he said, you've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. Don't need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it.
That one's mocha.
Yeah, that's so good. This is good too. Oh, but like, these cakes are amazing.
I am gonna taste.
I couldn't help myself. Sucks to be you. Happy holidays, but not for you.
December rolled around, the snow was falling down. Everything decked in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring. And he said, you've been good, but I won't lie.
You guys are doing a good job.
Sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and
Hi guys, I totally forgot to do an outro for this video. So it is a few days later after Thanksgiving. It is now Saturday. We have just had the most relaxing couple days, me and Carter. So it's actually a snowstorm tonight, so it's just like cozy vibes inside. So I'm just hanging out with him for the weekend. We had the most amazing Thanksgiving. It was so fun and just good time with the family. And I had so much fun hosting this year as well for like our little brunch that I can't wait to do it again. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys all had a wonderful holiday, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Who gives a bleep?